Find out the secret for the best oven dessert of the world with only 4 ingredients. For this recipe, we'll need 4 eggs, 800 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of coconut milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, and let's mix everything very well. If you prefer the written recipe, just comment down here "I want" that I'll send you the complete recipe. After mixing everything very well, let's grease a recipient with a lot of butter, this way as you can see. Then you just have to pour this mixture we have just made. Seriously guys, this oven dessert is simply delicious. And look how easy it is to make. Now you just have to take it to the preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Can you believe it? It's that easy. Around here my dessert is already done and I'm going to take a piece of it so you can feel how crunchy this dessert is. But it's very moisture, juicy and delicious on the inside. Make it there that I'm sure that you and all of your family are gonna love it. And don't forget that if you liked this recipe, rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is very important for us. Here at my house, when I make this dessert, it doesn't last one day. Everybody loves it. And the best of all, it's super easy, simple, with ingredients that you have at your house, and also super cheap. Look at this moisture, guys. This dessert is one of my favorites. It's surreal, the result. I'm going to enjoy this moment and send my special hug to Step and Gas, who sent us a lot of stars here on Facebook. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it because it helps us a lot. So thank you for always interacting with us. Kisses for you and all of your family. Look at it, guys. Isn't your mouth watering right now? I cannot describe how good it is, besides being very beautiful. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching until here, and don't forget to rate us down here. Also, tell me what city you're watching us from so I can send you the special hug on the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.